Hi. It is very simple to capture all the operation or process information for incoming customer material. Go to DC Reports, List of Job Work GRN DC Report. Select the date range and click Submit. Click on the GRN number. The process sheet recording form will open. Enter the process details like operation name, process date, from time to time, machine ID, operator and remarks if any. Click Update. After updating, you can see saved data below. You can delete any data and re-enter, if required. Once finished, you can click on the top link for printing the process sheet. A professional process sheet with operator voice summary and machine voice summary will be displayed. You can print this and attach along with delivery challan or invoice and submit to your customer. Again, go to DC Reports, List of Job Work GRN DC Report. Click on the bottom link to see the report on process information for inward customer material. simpliRP will show the detailed report.